How to turn off silent play on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can manage the silent play feature in the REDnote app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are in the profile page, tap on the settings and you'll be prompted to the settings section. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the general settings. And from here, simply scroll down until you see the option labeled silent play. Tap on the toggle option to turn it off with just one click. And once you have turned it off, your setting will be updated instantly. And that's all it takes. And there you have it, a quick guide to turning off silent play in the REDnote app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.